Hey y'all, this is a 10-minute self-worth quote made to help you embody your confidence and open your heart. My name is Leah and I'll be your yoga instructor for this session. So let us begin. Namaste. We're going to start off in a comfortable seating position, so sit tall with one hand placed on your heart and the other placed on your lower belly. You're going to close your eyes and slowly inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Again, you're going to inhale and feel your chest expand, and exhale as you release the need to make yourself smaller. And as you continue to deep breathe, I want you to imagine creating more space around your heart, letting your shoulders move away from your ears, and allowing your spine to lengthen naturally with this affirmation. I do not need to prove my worth. I know exactly who I am. From your seat, you're going to inhale, reaching your arms overhead, and you're going to interlace your fingers and turn your palms towards the sky. I want you to lean gently to the right, keeping both sitting bones grounded as you lengthen through your side body and absorb this affirmation. There is always room for me here. And you're going to return to the center and switch sides. Remember, do not collapse this stretch. Think of it as you're reaching up and out rather than forcing yourself to go deeper. And you're going to come back to the center, releasing your hands behind you and gently opening through your chest. You're going to transition into a tabletop position, and you're going to inhale into cow pose, and you're going to exhale into cat pose. You're going to synchronize your breath and your movement as you make your movement slow but more controlled as you absorb this affirmation. I trust myself to support myself. You're going to come back to that tabletop position, and you're going to reach your right arm towards the ceiling and then thread it underneath your left arm. And you're going to switch sides. You're going to return back to the center and tuck your toes and lift your knees slightly off the mat and hold for one breath. And you're going to pedal your feet in this downward dog as you deep breathe. On your next inhale, you're going to lift your right leg into three-legged dog as you square your hips towards the floor, and exhale as you draw your right knee towards your nose. And you're going to switch sides with this affirmation. I take up space without an apology. From downward dog, you're going to step your right foot forward and rise into high crescent lunge. You're going to reach your arms overhead, drawing your shoulders down while lifting through your chest, and you're going to deep breathe. You're going to bring your hands behind your back and interlace your fingers, and you're going to inhale as you lift your heart, and exhale as you fold forward in humble warrior. You're going to release your hands as you step back into downward dog and repeat this on your left side with this affirmation. I honor who I'm becoming. You're going to step your right foot forward and open into Warrior Two by extending your arms strongly in opposite directions and looking over your right fingertips. You're going to imagine your energy expanding beyond your fingertips, and you're going to inhale into Reverse Warrior. So reach that right arm overhead and keep that front knee bent. And you're going to return back to Warrior Two with this affirmation. My presence is powerful. And you're going to transition into Reverse Warrior. And you're going to transition by turning towards the long edge of the mat and stepping your feet wide and turning your toes slightly outward and bending at your knee into Goddess Pose. You're going to bring your arms into this cactus shape, and you're going to lift through your chest and hold this pose. Now you're going to twist your torso towards the right, bring your left hand towards your right thigh while your right arm reaches behind you. And you're going to exhale as you twist towards your left side with this affirmation. I allow myself to be seen. From Goddess Pose, you're going to straighten your right leg and bend deeply into your left knee and side lunge. You're going to reach your arms forward or overhead as you move through the center and switch sides. You're going to return to the center and turn towards the front of the mat and shift your weight into your right foot, bringing your left knee towards your chest and opening your knee outward in this standing four-figure pose. And you're going to switch sides with this affirmation. I release abandoning myself when things get tough. You're going to transition by standing tall at the top of your mat and shifting your weight into your left foot. You're going to bend your right knee and reach back for the inside of your right foot, and you're going to extend your left arm forward, as you begin pressing your foot into your hands as you hinge forward and lift your back leg, opening across your chest and holding for several breaths in this dancer's pose. And you're going to slowly return back to standing and switch sides. Don't force the deepest version of this pose. Focus on creating the length, the lift, and the openness with this affirmation. I deserve to be fully expressed. You're going to transition by returning to downward dog and shifting into high plank. You're going to roll the outer edges of your right foot and open your chest towards the left in this Wild Things pose. And you're going to switch sides with this affirmation. I know my value and I honor my presence. You're going to transition by sitting comfortably with both hands placed over your heart and your eyes closed. And you're going to focus on deep breathing as you absorb these affirmations and embody who you're meant to be in your present moment. I take up all the space I need to grow. I trust who I am, and I am worthy exactly as I am. At this time, thank yourself for showing up to this yoga session. You are worthy of investing in your mind, body, and soul. If this video helped you, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video with somebody who may need a pause in their day. Now move forward in confidence. Namaste.